All right, guys, in the other video, I showed you how to lighten your eyebrows so your hair on your eyebrows will be flawless when you fill in your brow. But since we lightened our brows, now it's time to match our hair to our eyebrows, and we will be using the high beam. Now, this is what my hair looks before, and I am going to spray it heavy so you'll see what this color really looks like. Look at that. All right, well, there you are. And don't forget that this color stays in even after you use the gel. And it even looks better when you put oil on it. But I made a video about that, so go check that one out. All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And I will be trying to bring you 2 videos a week, whatever Wednesday and Sundays. So we're going to get on to that. And other than that, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah! Subscribe.